In this video, what I'm going to do is show you very quickly how to enable and disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got Google Chrome opened up here, I've got a tab opened up here, and I've gone straight onto the website google.com. Now to access SafeSearch, and what SafeSearch essentially does, it blocks explicit material, explicit content, explicit images, especially if you've got a device which is used by members of the family, you've got children in the household, you've got people in the household younger than the age of 18, and you want to protect what they see or what they view on the internet. So to access SafeSearch, go to google.com. You will see the search page, the standard search page, but if you scroll down to the bottom right hand corner, you will see the settings option here. Click on settings and you will see a few options appear in this drop down. The one you need is the one that says search settings. So you click on search settings and it will take you to the privacy and safety page in your Google Chrome tab. Now the first option is the activity, so you can change your search history. The second option is what we are interested in for this video. So the option you want from here is SafeSearch. You can see straight away SafeSearch is currently set to blurring on, so that's basically going to blur any explicit images or videos on my device when I search on Google search, the Google search engine. But if you click on it, it will take you to another page, and what you can see straight away, it tells you what SafeSearch is all about. SafeSearch helps you manage explicit content in your search results, like explicit activity and graphic violence. So at the moment, my SafeSearch is set to blur, so it helps blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. Now, if I wanted to take this a step further and filter every explicit image, text and links on this device, when somebody uses this device using the Google search engine, I will simply click on filter here. Then it will save your settings there. So when I click on filter, it will help out filter explicit images, text and links. But if I wanted to, or if I choose to switch SafeSearch off, I will simply click on off there, and it will show all relevant search results even if they're explicit. So if I'm using this device, I'm the only person using this device, and obviously I'm doing searches or I'm using the internet, you switch it off, but I tend to blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. But if you wanted to take it a step further, especially if that device is used by the whole family, you can learn more about SafeSearch by clicking on this arrow, reading a little bit more about it, and learning how to change SafeSearch settings and setting up those parental controls, which is another important factor there. So I hope this video has helped you, especially in enabling and disabling SafeSearch on your device using Google Chrome. Please do like, subscribe and share.